Hey everyone, today we're in a place called Northwood and we've got a big roof clean today, so stay tuned. So we got here early, got our new guy, Joe. Let's have a word with our new guy, Joe. What's it like working for LBC, man?
You know what, every day is different. It's brilliant, good team, good environment, can't go wrong.
Wow.
Just need good weather now.
Positive vibes.
That's it.
Hold on, I'm just going to press stop. I'll press stop. Hey, would you really think of LBC? Tell me the truth, would you really think? No, what we got? No, jokes, man. It's good. Oh, yeah, good positive vibes, Joe. What we got on today, man?
Well, today, I believe, right now, if you come over here, we've got this lovely bit of equipment here. Cherry picker. We're going to go up onto the roof, use a pressure washer. Hopefully we won't need to soft wash it, should just peel off, but do this whole house. As you can see, it's a big one.
Nice.
I reckon it'll take substantially till the rest of the day.
And who's your team today? Who you got with you?
I'm with Jimbo.
Here we go, Irish Jim is in attendance. Oh, the foreman is here. Morning, Jim.
Morning, Finn. How are you, man?
I'm alright, how are you?
I'm alive. It's the best way to put it.
So where are you going to attack first, front or back?
Go at the front and work my way back, as they say.
Wicked.
As the saying goes.
Front to back, yeah?
As the saying goes, go for the easy axis first and then work your way through.
Oh. Ready for war.
Bring it on, guys. Bring it on.
So guys, there's been a few technical difficulties today. Like with anything in business, things can go wrong, and there's a few issues with the cherry picker. Hasn't started up, but we're waiting Danny, because he's very handy with his electric, so he's going to come along. Hopefully he'll save the day, get the cherry picker working, they can crack on with this job. Probably won't finish today, but hopefully they'll get it up and we can get some cleaning done for you. Our saviour is here, Danny boy.
I believe you need my help again.
Danny's at work, troubleshooting. So are you confident you can get this cherry picker up and running for the firm? Are you confident?
I'm fairly confident, it shouldn't be too hard.
Wicked. Hey, I've got every confidence in you, Danny. I'll leave you to it, let you get into Rottweiler mode. So today's been a bit of a disaster. Danny's come along, he's got to the bottom of the problem, but unfortunately the day slipped away. It's getting quite late now, so unfortunately I won't be able to start on the main roof. But so today ain't a wasted day. There's a little bit of roof out the back, part of a garage, and the guys are going to clean that up, so it's not a wasted day. We'll be back Tuesday and we'll be showing you all of this, so stay tuned for that. But for the here and now, enjoy this little bit of roof being cleaned. Mate, it's all happening, Conan, director of LBC, what's happening?
Morning guys, it's Tuesday after the bank holiday Monday. We're here in Northwood cleaning this big roof. Vinny joined us at 10 AM, so we've already got half a side done.
Oh man, why'd you have to say that? Why'd you have to say that?
No, it's all good. We're saving the front, the best bit for you guys to watch. And the other guys have just come. They're meant to be doing some commercial bins today, but because of the bank holiday, the bins weren't collected today. We were in touch with a client and they said they weren't sure, so we went, and unfortunately they weren't collected, so they jumped in to help us on the back. I'm just about to get them set up on the back before I go back up on the front, and I shouldn't really be here. I should be in the office doing some other stuff.
Whoa.
But Dimitri has come back from Romania thinking it was on the green list, which it was okay getting there, but when he came back he realised he had quarantine for 10 days. So
the director stepped in. So you'll be on the front on the cherry picker, and we've got a crew at the back. So we've got a crew of 4 today, yeah, for the time being.
That's it.
All right, mate. I won't keep you too long, Conan. Crack on. So we're going to have some dual action. Conan's going to be on the front. He's just setting the guys up for this little section here at the back. Parts they can reach without the cherry picker. So that's going to be some simultaneous cleaning action. It's a glorious day. This roof's going to come up lovely. Right, so the front's done. While we've got him, let's get a word with Conan. Conan, how's your spirit? How's the job going? Talk us through it, brother.
Bit of a difficult day today. True.
He's up there. It's a different day for you, isn't it?
A difficult day. The guys were here on Friday, and to start the roof, but we're having some problems with our cherry picker. Called out some auto electricians on Friday. They found out the problem was a faulty relay. We've since ordered some replacement relays. They haven't showed up yet. We've swapped out some relays and got it working on Friday, and when I came this morning it was all working good, but then about halfway through the job cherry picker starts playing up. It's been very temperamental now, so we sent one of the crews, even though we've got some on order, we sent one of the crews to RS Components to try and get some relays for today to fix it quickly, because the shop was 20 minutes away, but they don't keep any in stock, so we're going to wait for that. At the moment we're
soldering through. It's so far
temperamental cherry picker, which is slowing us up a bit.
But it is working.
It is working.
It is working. That's the main thing.
The other two are heading off now. They've got confirmation that their commercial bins have been emptied, so they're shooting off to southwest London somewhere to do some commercial bins.
So you're 4 down to 2 then?
Yep. Myself and Kevin will crack on. We'll probably look to get that side roof done, and then a big clean up at the end, and leaving just the back.
In terms of results, looking good though, isn't it?
Yeah, looking good. Customers happy. Couldn't believe the results. So yeah,
that's all that matters. Conan and Kevin there, just doing one last rinse around, tidy up. Been a hell of a shift from the team, and Conan specifically. He's pretty much done a lot. He's just got this section of the rear and the side of the property as well, but it's about 70% done, 75% done. And the roof is looking lovely, as you can see here. Difference, clean side and a dirty side, so very, very good job here from LBC. Hopefully we'll get some words from the big man before we sign off for the day. Conan, worked your tits off today, didn't ya? Give us a little bit of feedback for the day. Close of play, what's happening?
Pretty tough day, yeah. We've been at it since 8, it's now 20 past 5. No food all day, work straight through.
Jeez.
Bit of a tough job, this one. Yeah, it didn't help with the cherry picker playing up. We've done between half and 3/4 of this roof. Is a pretty big one, and we're going to wait till we get the new relay in so that we can finish off. The 2 last areas shouldn't be too hard because it's down the side where we've got some nice cherry picker access. So we'll wait till that really gets in, come back and finish that job. But as you can see, they don't all go to plan. Some are very difficult.
It doesn't, but we've got a great transformation at the front, so we'll show you that, guys. One last message for the fans, Conan.
Yeah, if you're enjoying our videos, please make sure to click here to subscribe, or click here to watch some other roof cleaning videos, and click here for our website.